Dear customers, dear visitors and subscribers of my channel, today I will tell you about the danger of pop-ups that are related to the website Puttheph.club. Of course, the name of this website doesn't really make any particular sense, and the real purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into subscribing to its permanent and really uncontrolled web push notifications. The authors of this website, Puttheph.club, try to make you see a lot of intrusive content in your computer. So if you mistakenly agree with this proposal and if you click on the allow button, you'll start getting a lot of spam to your screen in the form of ads, deals, banners, coupons, and other pop-ups that will be extremely annoying. So I recommend you to be very careful. Also, this pop-up is able to switch the browser into the full screen mode, as you can clearly see. Well, you may simply press the escape button to get out of the full screen mode, but still such pop-ups may periodically distract you, especially if you mistakenly click on that allow button. So what can be done to fix your browser? Of course, the browser needs to be fixed immediately. First thing you should do is to go to the menu of the browser, click on Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and in Permissions click on Notifications. You need to carefully research this allow area. When you find this malicious site, Puttheph.club, of course, remove it from this list. Basically, after all the malicious websites are successfully deleted from this list, the problem should be fixed. However, I also recommend that you additionally check up your Mac computer with a combo cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is successfully downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database. After that, click on Start Combo Scan, so the program will begin the free research and investigation of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode, however the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threats, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threats manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific thread in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the thread manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.